How's it going, guys? DK12 again, and today I want to show you how to fill up your bird feeders. First thing you're going to need is some bird seeds. And then here's a clever way. My grandpa told me how to do this. Now, to fill up the bird feeders, my bad, you take this milk jug and you cut off the bottom, and then you just set it in like that. Then you use this peanut butter jar and scoop, and then you just dump them in there. See? Works. It's a little full, but that'll be okay. My dad made this one by himself. Now we'll do the same thing. We'll just scoop. Probably just a little more. Alrighty, now it's full. That's all for now. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.